IBM WebSphere DataPower SOA appliances is a family of pre-built, pre-configured rack-mountable network devices that can help accelerate XML and Web Services deployments while extending SOA infrastructure. Originally these devices were created by DataPower Technology Inc, which was acquired by IBM in October 2005. This WebSphere family consists of rack-mountable network appliances, blade appliances, appliances that rack inside a ZOS mainframe, and virtual appliances. Appliance list based on hardware model 9235 WebSphere DataPower Caching Appliance XC10, WebSphere DataPower XML Accelerator XA35, WebSphere DataPower Security Appliance XS40, WebSphere DataPower Integration Appliance 1150. WebSphere DataPower B2B Appliance XB60, WebSphere DataPower Messaging Appliance XM70. This hardware model is a one-new rack-mountable appliance that has 4 1GB Ethernet connections. Based on hardware model 7198 WebSphere DataPower Service Gateway XG45. This model is a one-new rack-mountable appliance that has 4 1GB Ethernet connections and 2 10GB Ethernet connections. Based on hardware model 7199 WebSphere DataPower Caching Appliance XC10V2, WebSphere DataPower Integration Appliance 1152, WebSphere DataPower B2B Appliance XB62, WebSphere DataPower Edge Appliance XE82. This model is a 2E rack-mountable appliance that has 8 1GB Ethernet connections and 2 10GB Ethernet connections. Based on hardware model 8436 IBM DataPower Gateway. This model is a 2E rack-mountable appliance that has 8 1GB Ethernet connections and 2 10GB Ethernet connections. Technical specifications: DataPower appliances contain many specialized hardware components, including ASIC-based IPS, custom encrypted RAID drives, and hardware security modules. DataPower appliances operate a single digitally signed firmware containing a Linux-based operating system and application stack. DataPower's firmware runs on a flash storage device. IBM refreshes and enhances the DataPower firmware image every 10–20 weeks. Users cannot run third-party applications on DataPower as they would need a traditional server and operating system. Instead of a traditional file system, DataPower runs with a collection of isolated virtual file systems called application domains. As a result, DataPower can appear to its client connections to be any type of network file system with any type of folders and links. DataPower firmware is mostly used to perform electronic messaging functions. It can perform transformation and routing of messages as an enterprise service bus or protects web services interfaces and the architecture behind them from attacks. It helps to integrate any two applications by considering them as services. It is platform and language independent. DataPower is an appliance and not a software. References. External links: IBM WebSphere DataPower homepage, WebSphere DataPower SOA appliance performance tuning.